What are the product research methods for TikTok Shop? Product research for TikTok Shop involves finding trending, high demand products that appeal to TikTok's audience driven, video centric environment. The goal is to identify items that can go viral through short form content, influencer marketing, or live selling. Unlike traditional marketplaces, success on TikTok Shop depends heavily on trend awareness, audience behavior, and content driven engagement. One of the best research methods is trend tracking and hashtag analysis. By exploring viral hashtags, trending sounds, and popular creators, sellers can spot products gaining momentum. Tools like Helium 10 help validate these product ideas by analyzing market demand, competition levels, and profit margins. This ensures the chosen products not only trend, but also perform well financially. Another effective method is competitor and influencer analysis. Study what top TikTok creators and shops are promoting, the engagement levels they receive, and how audiences respond. Helium 10's data insights can help sellers cross-check TikTok trends with other e-commerce platforms to identify sustainable, evergreen opportunities rather than short-lived fads. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to powerful product research tools that help you discover, validate, and scale trending TikTok Shop products with confidence and precision.